Vigorous burping. Go, Connor, burp. Go, Connor, burp. And we got flailing arms, Kaden. Hi, Kaden. Oh my goodness.
Record Connor screaming on his gas.
I know. Look how big your eyeballs are.
To show people on your 18th, on your graduation party. High school graduation. Look how far we've come. Oh, did you get a little scratch on your head?
No, it's been there for a while.
Oh, how did you know what happened there?
Oh!
Oh, goodness.
Oh.
Oh, you got it.
Yay!
Oh, Mr. Kaden, good job. Oh.